Alright, dito na yung ano ni Boss Vince. Ni Bossing. Bossing, ano pangalan mo, Bossing?
Noriel po.
Noriel. Si Boss Noriel Papa CVT tsaka Epay Throttle Body. Alright, good morning. Ito lang yan sa Teresa Martires City. Let's go. Nilinisan na natin yan, sir. Malinis na yan, sir. Nakalas na natin yung throttle body. Oh, sir. Ayan. Alright. Salang natin to. Ito, sir. Kasalang na yan, sir. Yan, nakabit na natin. Re-reset na natin. Let's go. Yan, re-reset na natin siya, sir. Alright, you know. Reset completed. Let's go. Tapos na natin spark plug ni sir kasi worn out na. Alright. Wala gusto to, sir. Let's bolt in to. CVT na rin natin yan, sir. Let's go. Alright, nalinisan natin. Kabit na natin, guys. Let's go. Alright then, sir. Ayan si Bossing, ha. Let's go. Yan, kaya Bossing ito. Change lang ito kasi yan natin yung preno. Umiilaw lagi. Let's go. Yan, sabay na pala yung bearing. Yan si Bossing. Alright then, sir. Let's go. Yan si Bossing. Boss, kasama na labor niya.